Okay, this is the most awaited video, if I'm not wrong, in the recent times in my channel because people are waiting for part 2 of website designing. How to get clients for website designing. So I will tell you, let us use a 200 rupee budget. Previously, I have explained how you can get clients via organically. Now I'll be explaining how you can get clients via paid route where 200 rupees per day is enough for you to crack at least 5 projects in a month. 5 website design projects in a month, irrespective of the amount what they are going to pay you. So I'll be explaining that. So the first things first, before moving into the actual topic, my name is Virender Chowdhury, founder and CEO Trader School, hashtag one business school for freelancing. If you did not join our Trader community, you can join for free. I will give the link in the description. So let's get started. Now, I will give you a package which requires. So we'll go to the first and the most important thing. You need a graphics or a design, which we call like ad poster. For that, you can go to Canva and create amazing poster, but that poster should be like scroll stopping. What does this mean? So the first thing is copy, design. So if you're traveling on a busy route, imagine this. Okay. So where nobody is giving a damn about what's happening surrounding them, they just keep moving, keep moving. But suddenly they saw something different. A purple lion. Lion will not be in a purple color, right? So do you pay attention to it or not? So the first things first, in a busy world like social media, everybody is like scrolling, 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 scrolling. The attention spam is just 3 seconds. So you should create something which is scroll stopping. So what you need to do is like in the poster, you make this line bold. I will design website in one day or I will work for free. Anybody who's looking for a website design, that too immediate design, you are claiming one high important point, which is I can give website in one day, else I'll work for free. Viru, what are you saying? How can we design website in one day and how we can hand over to them? Don't worry. That's about part 2. I will show you how you can design websites in one day. Basically, now I categorize websites into 2 segments. Segment 1, which requires only front end, like Trader School website, like Hello Vero website, small interior design websites. So this requires only front end. But there is some websites which require front end and back end. Example, CRM. Okay, where front end will be a website. Once you can log in, you can see a dashboard like tools like leads, modules, activity, deals, etc. that requires backend. So here, most important terms and conditions, you are going to take projects which requires only front end. Clear? So now once you design a poster, now what you need to have? You need to have a great ad copy, which is ad text. Okay. By the way, you can generate ad copies using ChatGPT, Gemini, Cloud, etc. Claude, etc. Not Cloud. Okay. So you can paste an amazing prompt, which I will link in the description of this video. You can simply copy and paste it in ChatGPT, and you will generate amazing primary text and headline for the copy. 2 steps are done. Designing a poster and now creating a good copy. Third step, you need to choose meta ads. Why not Google Ads, Viru? Because Google Ads requires good amount of budget. But in Facebook ads, you can start with 200 rupees. If you're a beginner, I always suggest to start with meta ads and then go to Google Ads. So 200 rupees budget is what you will keep, and you start running ads for people who are looking for website design services. And the moment you generate leads, you will call them and close them. So that is the process. Now let's go into the actual process of making a website in just one day. So don't skip this video. I'm gonna use two AI tools to build website that is fully functional in just one day. And I'll also show you a live example of how I built Trader School website in just one day. Let's get it. So I guess you can see my screen. Let's pick some clients, any client. Okay. So let us imagine I'll search for dentist near high tech city. Oh, imagine. So this is a area name in Hyderabad. By the way, I'm from Hyderabad. Okay. So these are the hospitals. Let's see for hospitals who do not have a website. Almost everyone has a website. Let's pick Doctor Tooth Dental do not have a website. Great. So what I need to do is I will take a screenshot of it. Take a screenshot because this is what we know about this company, this Dr. Tooth Dental Clinic. Take a screenshot, immediately go to ChatGPT and ask, hi, imagine you are a greatest conversion rate optimizer and you mastered copywriting. I want section wise landing page copy for Dr. Tooth website, which includes menu, hero section, and all the other sections, which is necessary to convert cold audience to warm audience, to convert people from no, I mean, people to convert who did not submitted a lead to submit the lead. The copy should be extraordinary. And whenever we run performance marketing ads, your copy should speak more than what we are running the ads. So think like that and give me extraordinary copy for the same. Let's see how it gives. You can make speed 1.5 if you want, because the move it will generate landing page copy right now. So these are the sections which we will be having in the website. Home, why Dr. Tooth, services, meet the expert, testimonials, before and after, book an appointment. Now hero section, Hyderabad trusted dental experts where smile begins, subheadline, from simple clinics to complex implants. Get pain-free, expert dental care that fits your life schedule and budget. All right. Section it is given, everything it has given. Absolutely nice. Now, what exactly do we need to do once the copy is ready? So I want you to generate an amazing prompt for designing a website using lovable site. So I need my site in black and white, which looks like Apple company and which creates that premium look, and it should have a modern touch. So my site should be in black and white, most premium. Can you please generate an amazing prompt which contains the complete landing page copy without missing one single word which you have given above? So make sure, okay, it is clean, simple, and neat website. So give me complete prompt. Do not cut anything. Give me A to Z. Now it is generating prompt, which is cool, right? It has given, it's completed. Just copy. Make Copy, go to Lovable, paste the prompt, hit enter. Now see the magic. You can fast forward this video and I'll show you how it will generate. Did you got it? How we can generate websites only which requires front end, not back end. We can generate within one single day. That's the power of AI. And you can find so many companies that do not have a website yet. You can literally target them. Let's see. It will take some time. Seshi, you can forward this, my editor. You can forward this once I see the result so that people will not get bored of. This is crazy, right? Website is done. Now you can change literally anything. You see, Dr. Tooth. Why trust Dr. Tooth? Complete dental care under one roof. Your smile is in expert hands. Real case studies. Transformation before and after. Clinic address. consultation, and footer, menu, everything literally it has given in just, I guess, in 5 minutes. Now, if you want to edit something, okay, so you need to do simply few things. So you can ask, let us imagine what we require, what we can edit. Uh, okay, so once you click on like edit option, you can scroll here, here. Imagine I don't need clinics. Save. You can edit text, you can edit design, you can edit whatever client said. Amma, I don't think so. This tick mark is good. Can you place somewhere else? You can ask literally edit, go here and ask type a prompt. I don't need tick mark. Client asks this, it will generate. Isn't it crazy? Okay, let's come to the final part of this video. Now I put this video into two sections. One, running the ad, and second, how you can design website within one single day. Now, do you need part three on how you can literally run ads? I'll open my ads dashboard and I will show you exactly how you can run paid ads to get these clients who are literally waiting to complete their website in one single day. If yes, do one thing, just like this video and comment part three. And if you like the content, whatever I'm putting on my website, I mean on the YouTube, please consider subscribing and turn on that bell notification. I'll see you with the next bang on video.